Imposter type. I'm back again. It's almost end of the night. It's 4:34 a.m. Today was actually not today. Last day I slept full day. Now I am not feeling sleepy at all. I wasted so much time by scrolling reels and visiting through some of the online shops, which I never gonna buy anything from there. So now I want to break it. So now I started this problem. Sometimes ago I completed image carousel problem, though the solution from my end wasn't good. I'm not happy with that one. So now let's start with this one, with the model dialog 3. Actually this is accessibility related problem. um, Last day I had ARIA rules and properties into this model, and now I am going to add keyboard navigation in this problem. So this is there is some of the things we have done, and then okay, this is has another one called model dialog 4. And now let's read the requirement. The current model dialog can be dismissed by clicking on the close button within the dialog content. However, the model dialog should also support competent ways of closing it by clicking outside of the dialog is the overlay. Okay, so whenever we are opening it, if I click on the overlay, it should close it, and also hitting the escape key. So now we have to add this we have to add this event handler to that, so that we can close that one. So first of all we need to create a function that will close our model. Okay, so now here we are passing this thing from here. So now in that implementation, so if it is not done in that implementation, we will add some of the keyboard navigation that will close our model. So first of all, let's add a keyboard navigation on the overlay, that will listen for escape key, and that any kind of click. Okay, so let's add this one. So on click, it should be key down, or wait, it should be on click event. So if I got any on click on it, so let's just close it. So let's open it and close it. So that's working fine, but before doing that I need to do that stop propagation, so that it should not propagate to that other child. So let's say I have another click event here, or not here. I have this on click here. So let's have a console log that it is also propagating or not. So this is just a check. Okay, so just make it console log propagate. Okay, Okay, so let's have it. Also, let's click on it. Yes, it is closing it, so it's propagating it. So that is not I wanted, so I wanted to check it. So that is mm, so even if I am clicking on this here here, so it is closing. It should only be closing it at the and I am clicking on that overlay. Okay, so event and here we should have uh, event that is stop propagate. I don't know, even what prevent default or stop propagation is. It should be prevent default. So if I do it, yes, still it is closing. Not working. Okay, it is in the container, so it is tricky. It is tricky. It is tricky. It is tricky. So let's add another thing. So it should be a effect. Use effect that will listen for any skip key. Listen for a skip key. So let's do it. Window that add event listener that will be key down return that will close, remove the listener, const listener id. Okay, let's just log key pressed. That's it. So we done nothing. Okay. Oh, here window dot remove event listener id. So okay, this is not sending us any listener id, so my bad. So it should be handler key down handler. So here key down handler will be this. So here will be key down event with the key down handler. Okay, let's see that we are getting it for our. It is not pressed. Okay, it is working. So here we will have event and here will be event dot key code and it should be HTML event video element, not video key keyboard event. So it will dot code event dot. I think why it is not giving any suggestion without dot cancelable at target dot code. I think code will be okay. There is another one without the code. It's giving us that number key escape. Okay, code is directly sending us that escape, so we need that one. When it is escape, if that event dot code equal escape, then on close should be called. That's it. Open escape. It is removing it. Okay, that's good. But now on this click event is not working at all. Actually, we have to use a ref here. So if the ref actually, so now if I attach this type of event here, it will not work. So we have to add a ref here for this element, and we can check event dot target is that on, then we can do this by easily for my case. So we added that escape, so we always do that. So it will always listen for it even though it is not open. If it is open, then we can add the handler, otherwise not. So it is not that it will not create that much problem here. So let's use ref here. Use ref overlay ref will be use ref with that. It should be null by default, and then here it will be ref will be overlay ref. Okay, so now we'll add a handler here on click on click, then we will do that on. Okay, so event here. So if event dot target equal to overlay current, then we will use on close. So it is closing now. It is not this nothing. So it is good that we have added this one here that will control that one. So now it is not having that target is same, so it is close button, so it is working. So let's test. Yep, escape and close is both working. Clicking and escape, let's press escape, is working. Okay, that's good. So I have added that keyboard navigation. So this is good that I have solved another one UI challenge pretty quickly. See you later, then bye.